G'day viewers, Ivan here from Peak Offroad. Today we're just going to show you an updated tour, showroom tour, and hopefully you're having a good time in the midst of all this that's happening at the moment. Come and follow me and have a look what we've got in the showroom, so when you're coming out and have a look. Firstly, we have the Canopy camper on display. This is here full time and we're doing upgrades as we're going with it and doing the interior build, which will be coming out shortly. This will show you the table and how the actual layout is. You've seen enough videos on it. On my left here is the Camp King tent. This is a great tent. You can jump in and out of all these tents, so don't fear, get in here, jump in and have a look. We'll open and close it a few times and it'll give you an idea of what size and room and what specifically suits you. On the right hand side here, we have our display tub with the drop-down slides, or the drop-down fridge slides, and they come up on the angle. And on top of that, which is not here at the moment, we're actually putting a new one on this one, is the ostrich wing. So that's something new for us. We have the little Morani for the guys who can only have 70 kilos on their roof of their car. That was pretty straightforward. On my right here is on both these cars, on both these tub displays is the Alu-Cab Aluminium Canopy and all the accessories that can be fitted with that. This one here's got our drawers, the tent's on top, the shadow one is in place, and you can have a look at the size. To my left here is the Bush Company Alpha, and this is new on the market, pretty hot item, and here you get to open and close it and jump in and have a look. So this is pretty cool. Right next to it, we have the baby brother of the Bush Company, which is the Black Series. And you can see the two differences between the tents when you come down and have a look. If you jump up here, you can actually, a lot of people need to get a physical idea of how this is situated on their trucks. So this is actually at the right height, even though it's on here. It's actually at the right height of a car within, depending on your lift. So you can jump up the ladder, jump inside, it's fully equipped with pillows and bedding and everything. On the two to my left here again are the two Alu-Cab Gen 3s. This one's our display trailer, which you take to the shows, and so it kind of gets parked here, but normally there's one here displayed. Not last but not least is the Bundu Tech, the electric tent, on display here for you to jump up and down and open and close it. And its big brother up the top here with the broom kit you have, and in the right position so you can jump up and down. And this is the Bundu Tech King. We also got old Angry on the back end over here. It's kind of been corralled in. It's been a while, and with the way things are, we're not going to get too much of a chance. But in the end, all these tents are next to each other for you guys to try and make a really correct decision. And with me and guys that work here, not so much at the moment, you actually get a good idea and advice on how this is actually going to fit on your vehicles, each and every different tent and all the different options. So pop down, come and see us, ring us. Everything's in the description below. You guys keep safe. And as the showroom changes, I'll be just deleting the old showroom tour and putting the new one on. So again, keep safe guys, and hopefully the borders will open up and we'll get out there. Talk to you soon. Cheers.